The Boeing 767 is an American wide-body twinjet developed by Boeing Commercial Airplanes. Initially launched as the 7x7 program on July 14, 1978, it was designed as a more fuel-efficient, medium-sized alternative to earlier wide-body aircraft. The prototype first flew on September 26, 1981, and the aircraft was certified by the FAA on July 30, 1982. United Airlines introduced the first 767-200 into commercial service on September 8, 1982, followed by the extended-range 767-200ER in 1984. The 767 family expanded with the 767-300 in 1986, the 767-300ER in 1988, and the freighter variant, the 767-300F, in 1995. The final stretch, the 767-400ER, debuted in 2000. Designed to complement the larger 747, the 767 features a 7-abreast seating layout and a fuselage wide enough to accommodate LD2 cargo containers. Powered by General Electric CF6, Pratt & Whitney JT9D or PW4000 and Rolls-Royce RB211 engines, the aircraft was Boeing's first wide-body twinjet and incorporated a supercritical wing design to reduce drag. The 767 also introduced a glass cockpit, allowing for a two-crew operation and enabling pilots to obtain a shared type rating with the Boeing 757. This shared design significantly reduced training costs for airlines operating both aircraft. With its advanced systems, the 767 became a pioneer in extended-range operations, ETOPS, allowing twin-engine transatlantic flights starting in 1985. The aircraft's configurations cater to a variety of roles. The 767-200 typically seats 216 passengers with a range of 3,900 nautical miles, NMI, while the 767-200ER extends this range to 6,590 NMI. The 767-300 and 767-300ER increased passenger capacity to 269 and 218, respectively, with the latter achieving a range of 5,980 NMI. The 767-300F can carry up to 116,000 pounds of cargo over 3,225 NMI. The 767-400ER, the longest variant, accommodates 245 passengers and can fly 5,625 NMI. Military derivatives of the 767 include the E-767 for surveillance and the KC-767 and KC-46 aerial tankers. The aircraft was widely used for domestic routes and later gained popularity for transatlantic flights. By 2024, over 1,320 units had been delivered out of 1,430 orders, with many still in service as freighters or tankers. The 767 has faced competition from Airbus models like the A300, A310, and A330, but remains a versatile and durable platform, with its successor, the 787 Dreamliner, entering service in 2011. The Boeing 767's adaptability, efficiency, and long service life have solidified its place as a cornerstone in commercial aviation history.